As a toddler mom and a pet owner, I've never bought something so fast. Shark just came out with their PowerPro Flex Reveal Cordless Vacuum. Look at this flex reach. You're gonna be able to get up under tables, bar stools, chairs. Your pet hair is not gonna get tangled all in the brush roller, and it actually has a self-cleaning brush roller. Up to 50 minutes of runtime. It also has floor detect, so it's gonna be able to tell if you're on carpets, hardwood, and it's gonna optimize your performance. It has a light, so you're gonna be able to see all that nasty dirt on your floor. I'm telling you, if you do not have a vacuum with a light, it is a game changer. It has power fin, so it's actually gonna dig deeper into the fibers of your carpets and get all that junk out. This one also turns into an extendable hand vacuum, so you can do your couch if you need to get up to higher places. Also has HEPA filtration, so it's gonna get out 99.9% of dust and allergens. If you have a pet or if you have kids, just go ahead and buy this. Worth every single penny. I absolutely love it. The Shark never fails us, and you guys, this one's going to sell out really quickly, so I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below.